Practice this intensely. Being in the presence of the making power. The making power is always making you. How? In the image and likeness of your inner vision. Say, God is always working on me. God is always creating my expression according to my vision. So, if there's some situation, condition, it's not as you want it to be. See it as you want it to be. But most of all, anchor your vision to yourself. Begin by seeing yourself. Your visualization must begin with the kind of person that you are. Because you don't really get what you want, you get what you are. I must be the person who has that which I want. I must be that in my subjective self. I must let the Father see me as I want to be. I must let the Father see me and feel me as I wish to be. Stop letting the Father see and feel you as you don't wish to be. Are you my healthy child? I am. Are you my happy child? Are you God's loving, beloved child? I am. Are you God's rich child who has all of the money, ways, and means necessary? I am. And this is how you must make the Father see and feel you. Say this with me. I see God multiplying all that I give back to me in a never-ending cycle of increase and enjoyment. I see myself established in the infinite circulation of all good.